Hi my lovely viewers, this is Salawati for Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to set or insert Office.com sites smart art graphics in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case we have to open any case of Microsoft Word file which already I have opened it. So go to the insert options and click the smart art here. This option has been revealed here, office.com. So here see the thing has been here, dial vertical bracket list. So this has been explanation used to show grouped blocks of information, works well with large amount of level 2 things. So if we want these things, then we will press this has come. We will write lots of things according to our projects. Also this we can write, also this we can write things. So now we can move this. So we have the layout option. So if we press this option, then we can move this with the writing thing. Now we will do the color change. See, the color change has been revealed in this way. Now we also do the smart art style. So how? See, the best match for document. Also do the 3D. See the 3D option we can change this way. Now we will do the format, set the shape fill. See this way, outline, press this, as well as give the weighted sign. So in this way we can increase or decrease the weighted things. Click here. Now we will do the shape effects. So how? See, lots of effects we will take according to our workflow. Click here. Also the 3D. See, in this way we can do this thing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.